Bookings. This video will show you how to book an appointment for your patient scan with CT Dent. If you would prefer not to give the patient a paper referral form, then you can use the practitioner's booking system. To use this, go to our website at www.ct-dent.co.uk and click on the grey login box at the top right of the page. Type in your username, which will be the email address you used to register with, and your password, and click the login box. You will be directed to the CT Dent booking system page. On here is an overview of the calendar, showing the availability of appointment slots. You can move forward to advancing weeks. Once you find a preferred time for your patient, click on it. This will open up the online referral form. First, complete the patient details section. Select the patient's title from the drop-down list, then type in their full name, date of birth, telephone number, email address, and mobile telephone number. By filling in the email address and mobile telephone number fields means your patient will receive an email and text message confirming the appointment. Next, select the preferred payment method from the drop-down list. Select Doctor if you would like us to invoice the dental practice at the end of the month, or Patient if you would like us to charge the patient directly when they attend for their imaging. Also select if a radiograph stent has been produced that the patient will be bringing to wear during the scan. Next, go to the Indicate Teeth and Area of Interest section. Select the area of interest from the drop-down list. Here we have selected 2D imaging as an example. Next, we go to the 2D imaging section and choose the type of image, either digital panoramic or digital cephalometric, and the preferred output for the image to be returned to you in. Below this is the Justification for X-ray section. In here, check the options which apply to the patient's clinical history. Following this, check the box which means you agree to the standard terms and conditions of CT Dent. Below here will be a box giving you the estimated price of the examination. Once you are happy with that you have filled the referral form out correctly, click on the Book button. The appointment will now be generated on the CT Dent system. Now let us look at how to book a patient for a cone beam CT scan. In the Indicate Teeth and Area of Interest section, select the area of interest from the drop-down list. For example, maxilla, upper jaw, 6 cm. If you would like a small volume scan, then tick the relevant teeth notation boxes. If no teeth are selected, then our radiographers will take a scan of the whole jaw. Next, fill in the clinical indications box. This needs to be completed so our radiographers can justify the examination taking place. Now go to the Format section and check your preferred output format for the scan to be returned to you in. Unless you are using any specific software, please tick the iCat Vision box. As this software will only run on the Windows operating system, if you are an Apple Mac user, then please check the Romexis Viewer box. If you are using the Simplant software, then please check the most relevant box. Below this is the Justification for X-ray section. In here, check the options which apply to the patient's clinical history. The output can be made by CD and printed photopaper, or by email with a link to the scan data on our secure server. Also look at the Extras section and check any boxes which are relevant to your patient scan. This could be, for example, a radiology report or an extra copy. Following this, check the box which means you agree to the standard terms and conditions of CT Dent. Below here will be a box giving you the estimated price of the examination. Once you are happy with that you have filled the referral form out correctly, click on the Book button. The appointment will now have been generated on the CT Dent system. You will be directed to a confirmation page where you can print a copy of the referral form for your own records or to give to the patient. The printed copy also includes a map of where the imaging centre is located. You can also return to the previous page if you need to change any details. Once the booking has been made, return to the calendar overview page, and if you go to the day and time of the booking, You will now see your patient's name there. From here, you can either book another patient in or log out.